Hi and welcome to the Woodworking Wisdom's Christmas Stocking Guide. Yes, Christmas is almost here. So what have we got? The Japanese marking knife. Those of you who have been watching the series will know this is indispensable for what I use it for. For marking out basic woodworking joints, fantastic. You hold it a bit like a pen, it's like drawing, razor sharp. It has a laminated steel blade, harder steel on the back, that holds the edge nice and firmly. You have a hollow ground on the back, so it takes less time to sharpen. It's not dead flat. That's all about ergonomics and how you're holding it and positioning of the chip when you're cutting. So it makes it more user-friendly. Indispensable in my point of view. Thank you for watching and keep an eye out for more stocking filler ideas from the Woodworking Wisdom team.